This is a quick look at a unique coffee canister by Moiko, as shown here in our kitchen. This coffee canister is stainless steel. It's 5 inches in diameter and 5.9 inches high, which gives it a volume of 1.5 liters. Along with the canister, there is a smaller one, which is a travel size of 60 milliliters, also stainless steel, as well as a stainless steel measuring cup, which is 30 milliliters. Finally, there is a card of how to contact the company, and also instructions for use. This coffee canister has two unique. The other unique feature is a one-way valve. It will only allow CO2 to escape while keeping oxygen and moisture out to extend the freshness and the flavor of the coffee inside for much longer. Replacing the valve is a very simple process should you need to do so, as shown in this slide. All you need to do is push from the inside out, and then the valve needs to be separated from the silicone ring, then placed back into the silicone ring, back onto the center of the lid, and as final step you can just place the month dial back in. This is the end of this quick look at the coffee canister, and thank you very much for watching.